New Calamus Baitcasting fishing reel is ready to deliver unparalleled performance and comfort. With only 6.7 ounce weight, this compact sized baitcasting fishing reel combines smooth side covers and a recessed braking adjustment dial that makes the reel comfortable even after thousands of casts during a day of fishing. The recessed braking adjustment dial and 8 magnets allow the angler to set the perfect braking power. You can confidently cast any type of lure or bait without worrying about backlashes. Calamus baitcasters are equipped with precision machined brass gears for strength and durability, and a lightweight graphite frame gives you all-day comfort and reliability. 17.6 pounds of drag at a super low price.
Introducing the Piscifun Torrent 7.1:1 gear ratio. The Torrent features a durable and comfortable thumb bar. The adjustable magnetic braking system is great for making on-the-fly adjustments while on the water. The premium 3-layer carbon drag offers 18 pounds of stopping power. The audible micro-adjust tension knob is great for those fine adjustments. The Torrent offers an extended aluminum handle as well as a perfect 7.1:1 gear ratio. 5+1 shielded bearings make the Torrent ultra smooth and easy to retrieve. The Piscifun Torrent is smooth, accurate, and powerful, ready to help you catch your next giant.